What if I told you that sitting in your kitchen right now, possibly ignored, possibly forgotten, is a drink so powerful that it can wake up the sleeping soldiers inside your own body? Soldiers that were designed to fight cancer, repair your heart, rebuild your organs, and literally reverse the clock on your aging cells? What if the cure that pharmaceutical companies have spent billions trying to manufacture already exists in nature, already exists in a simple cup that your grandmother may have handed you years ago without even knowing its secret? What if I told you that scientists have now confirmed, with real clinical data, with real human trials, with real shocking results, that this drink does not just prevent disease, it actually regrows your body's most precious biological resource, your stem cells, while simultaneously cutting off the blood supply to cancer tumors and starving them to death? You are not going to hear this on mainstream news. You are not going to find this in a 30-second commercial. But today, right here, in the next few minutes, I am going to show you the science, the truth, and the single most powerful thing you can put in your body starting today. Stay with me, because what comes next could genuinely change your life forever. What if the most powerful medicine on this planet has been growing in fields, sitting in your kitchen cabinet, and steeping quietly in billions of cups every single morning, and almost nobody has told you the full truth about what it is actually doing inside your body? What if your body is not broken? What if it is not failing you? What if it has simply been waiting, patiently, desperately waiting, for the right signal, the right fuel, the right biological instruction to wake up and begin healing itself from the inside out? That is not a fantasy. That is not a wellness myth or a social media trend. That is cutting-edge, peer-reviewed, laboratory-confirmed science. And today we are going to walk through it together, piece by piece, in a way that will change how you think about your health, your body, and what you choose to drink every single day for the rest of your life. Let us start with something extraordinary that most people do not know about their own biology. Inside your body, right now, as you sit here listening, you carry approximately 37 trillion cells. Among those trillions of cells exists a very special category: stem cells. These are not ordinary cells. Stem cells are the master builders of your biological universe. They are your body's internal repair system, the renovation crew that shows up after damage, after illness, after injury, and begins reconstructing what was lost or broken. When your heart suffers damage, stem cells migrate there. When your gut lining erodes, stem cells rebuild it. When your blood vessels weaken, stem cells reinforce them. They are remarkable, they are essential, and here is the part that should genuinely shock you. They are responsive to what you eat and drink. That means every single cup you consume is either activating your stem cells or suppressing them. Every single sip is either protecting you or slowly contributing to your decline. And once you understand that, you will never look at a beverage the same way again. Now let us talk about the drink. The drink that research, serious, Harvard-level, MIT-backed, clinically validated research, has shown to be one of the most biologically active substances a human being can consume: green tea. Specifically, the bioactive compounds within green tea, most powerfully a molecule called EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate. Say that name once, because it deserves your respect. EGCG is not just an antioxidant. It is not just something that helps your digestion or gives you a calm energy boost. It is a molecular signal, a communication molecule that enters your bloodstream, travels through your body, and speaks directly to your cells in a language they understand. And what it says to your stem cells is extraordinary. It says, wake up, multiply, repair, rebuild. The science behind this is not theoretical. Studies have demonstrated that EGCG directly stimulates the proliferation of endothelial progenitor stem cells, the cells responsible for repairing and rebuilding your blood vessel walls. This means that with every cup of high-quality green tea, you are literally sending a biological repair signal to the very infrastructure of your cardiovascular system. Your arteries, your capillaries, your veins, they are being maintained and restored by a simple, ancient, accessible drink that has existed for thousands of years. But that is only half of the story. And the second half is where things get truly, genuinely shocking. Cancer. That word alone carries more weight, more fear, more devastation than almost any other word in the human language. Millions of people worldwide are diagnosed every year. Families are torn apart. Lives are cut short. And while the medical world has made remarkable progress in treatment, there is a fundamental question that most oncologists will tell you is at the frontier of cancer science. Can we stop cancer from feeding itself? Because here is what you need to understand about how cancer survives and spreads inside the human body. Cancer tumors are not passive. They are aggressive, they are strategic, and they have learned one of nature's most essential survival skills. They grow their own blood supply. This process is called angiogenesis. A tumor, in order to grow beyond a tiny, harmless cluster of cells, must recruit new blood vessels to bring it oxygen and nutrients. Without that blood supply, the tumor starves. It cannot grow. It cannot spread. It stays microscopic, contained, neutralized. The entire field of anti-angiogenic therapy in modern medicine is built on this principle. If you can cut off the tumor's food supply, you can stop cancer in its tracks. And now here is where your green tea becomes something almost miraculous. EGCG has been identified as one of the most potent natural anti-angiogenic compounds ever studied. In laboratory settings, in animal models, and increasingly in human clinical observation, EGCG has demonstrated the ability to inhibit the very signals that tumors use to recruit new blood vessels. It essentially blocks the tumor's request for food delivery. The tumor sends out a signal. Send me blood vessels, send me nutrients, let me grow. And EGCG intercepts that signal, disrupts it, and leaves the tumor isolated, unable to expand, slowly being starved of everything it needs to become dangerous. Multiple published studies, including research from institutions like the University of Rochester, the Karolinska Institute in Sweden, and research groups in Japan, where green tea consumption is among the highest in the world, have consistently shown correlations between regular green tea consumption and significantly reduced rates of certain cancers, including breast cancer, prostate cancer, colorectal cancer, and lung cancer. These are not small numbers. These are statistically significant, scientifically rigorous findings that deserve far more attention than they currently receive in mainstream health conversations. Now let us go deeper, because the conversation about stem cells and cancer is not just about green tea alone. Nature has given us an entire pharmacy of beverages, a collection of drinks, each with their own unique molecular profiles, each capable of communicating with your biology in powerful and protective ways. Pomegranate juice, for example, contains punicalagins and ellagic acid, compounds that have been shown to suppress the growth of prostate cancer cells and simultaneously support the health of your gut stem cells, which are responsible for maintaining the integrity of your intestinal lining. A compromised gut lining is connected to inflammation, to autoimmune disorders, to systemic disease. And pomegranate juice, consumed regularly, has been shown to help maintain and restore that protective barrier. Black coffee, yes, coffee, contains a rich array of polyphenols that activate something called the NRF2 pathway in your cells. This pathway essentially switches on your body's internal antioxidant defense system at the genetic level. We are not talking about antioxidants you consume fighting free radicals externally. We are talking about your own DNA being instructed to produce more antioxidant enzymes internally. Coffee has also been linked in multiple large-scale population studies to reduced rates of liver cancer, one of the most difficult cancers to treat once established. Tomato juice, particularly when the tomatoes have been cooked or processed, delivers concentrated amounts of lycopene, a carotenoid that has demonstrated impressive anti-angiogenic properties similar to EGCG. Lycopene has been studied extensively in relation to prostate cancer, and the evidence consistently suggests that men with higher lycopene intake have measurably better outcomes and lower incidence rates. What is happening here, across all of these beverages, is a pattern, a biological truth that the science keeps confirming from different directions. Nature has embedded within real, whole foods and drinks a set of molecular tools that align perfectly with your body's own defense systems. Your body was not designed to be helpless against disease. It was designed with extraordinary, sophisticated, layered defenses. Your immune system, your stem cell repair network, your angiogenesis regulation system, and the right nutrition activates all of them simultaneously. The problem is not that your body has forgotten how to defend itself. The problem is that modern diets, processed foods, chemical additives, chronic stress, and sedentary lifestyles have been suppressing those systems for decades. And the solution, the genuinely accessible, genuinely affordable, genuinely scientifically supported solution, begins with what you pour into your cup. Let us talk about something even more profound: the connection between your stem cells, your immune system, and cancer prevention working together as a unified defense network. When your stem cell activity is high and healthy, it supports the production of immune cells, specifically natural killer cells, which are your body's frontline assassins against cancer. Natural killer cells patrol your body continuously, identifying cells that have mutated or begun behaving abnormally, and they destroy them before those cells can become a tumor. This process happens every single day in every single human body. Most cancer mutations are caught and destroyed before they ever become clinically detectable. The efficiency of that process, how well your natural killer cells perform, is directly influenced by your overall biological health, your stem cell vitality, and critically, by the anti-inflammatory compounds in your diet and the drinks you consume. Green tea's EGCG has been shown not only to support stem cell activity, but also to enhance natural killer cell function. It improves their ability to identify and eliminate abnormal cells. So you have a drink that simultaneously regrows and activates stem cells, starves cancer tumors by blocking their blood supply, and boosts the very immune cells that hunt down cancer before it starts. That is not one mechanism. That is not a coincidence. That is a comprehensive, multi-layered biological defense being activated by a single compound in a drink that costs almost nothing and has been consumed safely by humans for over 4,000 years. Think about that for a moment. 4,000 years. The people of China, Japan, Korea, India, civilizations that have consumed green tea as a daily ritual for millennia, have not been randomly lucky with their health statistics. The low rates of certain cancers in traditional tea-consuming societies are not a cultural mystery. They are a biological outcome that science is now finally catching up to and explaining with molecular precision. And yet, and this is important, this is not about telling you that drinking green tea alone will cure cancer or replace medical treatment. Science does not work that way, and responsible health communication does not work that way either. What the research tells us is something more nuanced and more empowering than a simple cure claim. It tells us that your lifestyle choices, your daily habits, your morning routine, what you put in your body before the day even begins, have a measurable, quantifiable, scientifically documented impact on your cancer risk, your stem cell health, your cardiovascular resilience, and your overall biological age. You are not a passive victim of your genetics. You are an active participant in your own biology, and that participation begins in a very real and very literal way with what you choose to drink. The quality of the green tea matters enormously. Not all green tea is equal. Matcha, finely ground ceremonial grade green tea, contains significantly higher concentrations of EGCG than standard brewed green tea, because when you drink matcha, you are consuming the entire ground leaf rather than just an infusion. One study found that matcha contains up to 137 times more EGCG than regular brewed green tea. That is not a marketing number. That is a laboratory measurement with real biological implications. If you are going to make green tea a part of your health strategy, the quality and form of that tea will determine how much of the active compound you are actually delivering to your cells. Temperature also matters. Brewing green tea with water that is too hot, above approximately 80 degrees Celsius, degrades the EGCG content significantly. The Japanese tradition of brewing green tea with cooled, not boiling, water is not arbitrary aesthetic preference. It is, whether those ancient practitioners knew it consciously or not, a method that preserves the bioactive integrity of the very compounds that make the tea medically valuable. Ancient wisdom and modern molecular science are telling the same story from different directions. Timing matters. Consuming green tea between meals rather than with food maximizes the absorption of EGCG because certain compounds in food, particularly iron, can bind to EGCG and reduce its bioavailability. Drinking your green tea in the morning before breakfast or in the afternoon between meals optimizes how much of that precious molecular signal actually makes it into your bloodstream and reaches your stem cells and your tissues. Consistency matters above everything else. The anti-angiogenic effects, the stem cell activation, the immune enhancement, these are not dramatic overnight transformations. They are cumulative biological investments. Every cup is a deposit into your health account. Every day of consistent consumption is another layer of molecular protection being built into your biology. The populations with the lowest cancer rates are not people who drank green tea for a week during a detox. They are people for whom tea is as natural and non-negotiable as breathing, a daily, lifelong, deeply ingrained ritual of biological self-care. This brings us to perhaps the most important idea in this entire conversation: the concept of eating and drinking to activate your body's 5 defense systems. Your body defends itself against disease through 5 interconnected systems: angiogenesis, regeneration through stem cells, the microbiome, DNA protection, and immunity. Every single one of these systems is influenced by what you consume. Every single one of these systems can be supported, strengthened, and optimized through real, natural, whole food sources and beverages. Liquids that enter your bloodstream rapidly and efficiently are one of the most direct and powerful delivery mechanisms for the bioactive compounds that speak to these systems. When you drink a cup of high-quality green tea, you are not just hydrating. You are sending anti-angiogenic signals that protect you against cancer. You are activating stem cell proliferation that protects your cardiovascular and tissue health. You are delivering polyphenols that feed your beneficial gut bacteria and strengthen your microbiome. You are providing DNA protective compounds that reduce mutation rates in your cells. And you are enhancing your natural killer cell activity that patrols your body for cancer threats every single hour of every single day. 1 cup, 5 defense systems, 0 side effects, available to almost anyone, anywhere, at almost any economic level on the planet. That is the message that needs to be heard louder, shared wider, and understood more deeply. Because the health crisis facing the modern world is not a crisis of insufficient pharmaceuticals. It is a crisis of disconnection. Disconnection from the extraordinary healing intelligence of nature and disconnection from the extraordinary healing intelligence of our own biology. And the bridge between those two intelligences, between what nature offers and what our bodies need, is built 1 cup at a time with knowledge, with intention, and with the profound understanding that what you drink is not a trivial daily habit. It is a daily conversation with your own cells, a conversation that can either accelerate disease or activate healing. And the choice, that remarkable, empowering, life-changing choice, is yours to make, starting with your very next cup. We began today with a question. What if the most powerful medicine on earth was already in your kitchen? And what we have discovered together is that the answer is yes. The science is real. The mechanisms are understood. The evidence is growing stronger with every passing year of research. Green tea, with its extraordinary EGCG content, stands at the center of a biological revolution. A revolution not driven by pharmaceutical laboratories or billion-dollar research grants, but by the patient, persistent wisdom of nature itself, now finally being decoded and confirmed by the most advanced tools of modern molecular science. Your body wants to heal. Your stem cells want to regenerate. Your immune system wants to protect you. Your biological defenses want to starve cancer before it ever becomes a threat. All they need is the right signal, the right molecular conversation to do their extraordinary work. And that conversation can begin today with a simple, humble, ancient, and scientifically magnificent cup of green tea. Do not wait for a diagnosis to start caring for your biology. Do not wait for a crisis to discover what prevention looks like. The time to activate your body's defense systems is not tomorrow. It is now. It is today. It is with your very next decision about what you choose to consume. Your health is not a destination. It is a daily practice. And that practice, built on knowledge, built on science, built on the profound respect for what nature has given us, is available to every single one of you right now, starting today.